Pumbaa, you are funny. I don't think any animal would tolerate this.
My Pumbaa would.
Just a Pumbaalini.
He's the baby.
Hi there.
He looks like a dead, bloated animal on the side of a road. Doesn't he?
He does kind of, yeah. Well, especially the way he's just laying here with animals chewing on him and attacking him.
Look at Bree. She's such a doll.
His poor ear. That pig ear is not ready to be chewed on there, love. He's like, oh man, that kind of hurts a little. Easy does her, kid. Oh, what do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing?
Pumbaa's just a big jungle gym. Jumble.
Holy shit.
Yeah, Pumbaa.
Like spare. What? No, don't you